Hello everyone, my name is Sowandeli Aliza Ong and I go by Aliza, which is my middle name, and this is my first year in the SRJC. My favorite location is at the Frank Joy Library, but my favorite spot is the tutorial center. Okay, let me show you inside how inside look like. Hi again, this is my favorite spot, her tutorial center. Everything, like all the seat here, like all my favorite. And yeah, I always have like a appointment with my math class, which is that one class with one of my favorite tutorial teacher.